First thing we're going to do to replace the glass strong arms or lift supports is bring it up. And as you can see, these have no strength to them. So you're going to have to control that with one arm, one hand, or if you can rig something up, you just need a flat screwdriver. You're going to find a tab here and a tab down there. They actually make a nice little spot for it. And don't worry if you break it, because new ones come with it. So you're going to go in right there where that tab is, pry it out, and then pop it off. Bring down the glass, raise it back up, and you can see the tabs are slid down, so we're going to be able to easily pop it into place. Turn the actual piston so that that lines up, and now we can slide the top into place. Once you've lined them up, you can always get a pair of pliers and just squeeze it on. And this is already put on, so we just need to slide that tab back down. I'll use my flat screwdriver again. And now we're ready to go. Now you're all set to do the same to the other side.